Hello dear children. Today we are going to start with new topic, algebraic formulae, expansion of squares. The expanded form of the square of a binomial. For example, your activity is given in our textbook. If quadrilateral PQRS is a square with the side given x and y on each side. So here one square Roman number is given 1. It is given of x side, all sides. Second area is given as sides x and y. Third side is given as x and y. Fourth side is given as y. So first and fourth are the squares. Second and third are the rectangles. You know, area of square is side square and area of rectangle is length into breadth. So here in the figure alongside, we will calculate the side of a square PQRS as x plus y. Therefore, area of quadrilateral PQRS is x plus y whole square. This is one side. The squares PQRS is divided into 4 rectangles, as I said, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Area of quadrilateral PQRS equals to sum of the areas of all the rectangles in which first and fourth is a square. Here it is given rectangle also, but length into breadth it will be the x into x only. For 4 also, y into y it will be square only. Now area of quadrilateral PQRS as shown above here, it is x plus y whole square equals to area of rectangle 1, length into breadth, x into x, x square. 2, x into y, xy. 3, x into y. And fourth, y into y, y square. So these two terms we can add. So it will be x square plus twice xy plus y square. So x plus y whole square equals to x square plus twice xy plus y square. Now let us multiply x plus y square as algebraic expression. You know how to multiply square term. So x plus y whole square equals to x plus y into x plus y equals to. Multiply this first term to another bracket, that is x into x plus y and plus y into x plus y. Simplify these two terms. X into x is x square, x into y xy, y into x xy plus y into y y square. Arrange these terms here, you will get x plus y whole square equals to x square plus twice xy plus y square. Next activity. In the figure alongside, the square with side A is divided into 4 rectangles. Again 4 rectangles are there. Square with side A minus B. Here you see the complete square PQRS is having A side each and B side is for this part. So what is the length left here for this part? A minus B. Method remains the same. So here A minus B this is. So this side will also be A minus B. This is B and this will be, here this will be B, this will be A minus B. So B into A minus B, B into A minus B, this will be B only, this will be A minus B. Now I am sure it is clear. So again rectangle, square it is given here clearly. So this is square, this is square, these are the two rectangles. So here A minus B whole square. Why? For rectangle 1, A minus B this side also, this side also. So A minus B whole square. A minus B, this is A minus B into B, rectangle second. Rectangle third, A minus B and into b. This is b. So plus b into b whole square. So equals to a square. Why a square? Because area of quadrilateral PQRS, which is square, its side is a, so area will be a square, side square. Now simplify this, a minus b whole square plus a into b minus b square, and a into b, here the direct step is taken, a into b again minus b square. So here minus twice b square plus twice ab is taken here directly, and b square is left here only. Expansion of these two and simplification is done in this step, equals to a square. Now keep this term here only, a minus b whole square plus twice ab minus b square equals to minus 2b square plus b square is minus b square equals to a square. Transfer these two terms on the other side. A minus b whole square equals to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Let us multiply the algebraic expression and obtain the formula. For example, a minus b whole square means a minus b into a minus b. Method remains the same. A multiply this bracket minus b multiply this bracket. So a multiply a minus b multiply a minus b. Expand this, a into a square minus a into b minus a into b minus minus plus b square. So it becomes a square minus twice ab plus b square. So we have studied the two formulae here. Expansion, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus twice ab plus b square, and a minus b square equals to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Only the difference, here it is plus, so here it is plus, here it is minus, so here it is minus. Related to this, use the given values to verify the formulae for squares of binomials. Binomials means two values. Textbook page number 92, it is given. If a equals to minus 7, b equals to 8. So a plus b square equals to, a is minus 7, b is 8. Minus 7 plus 8 whole square plus 1. 1 square. 1 square is 1 only. A square plus twice ab plus b square minus 7 whole square plus 2 into minus 7 into 8 plus 8 square. Now here you see, square of any negative number is positive only. So 7 square will be 49. And here 2 into minus 7 into 8. 2 into 7, 14. 14 into 8 is 112. Sign is with minus. So minus 112 plus 8 square 64. Simplify this, you will get answer 1. Therefore, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus twice ab plus b square. With the same value, another formula, a minus b whole square. Substitute the value minus 7 minus 8 whole square. It comes to minus 15 whole square. Square of the negative number is always positive. So minus 15 whole square will be 225. Now expansion of it is a square minus twice ab plus b square. Substitute the values of a and b as above and simplify. You will get answer 225. Therefore, a minus b whole square equals to a square minus twice ab plus b square, as both terms equal to 225. Similarly, a equals to 11, b equals to 3. Calculate this, a plus b whole square, 11 plus 3 equals to 14 square, 196. Substitute in the expansion a square plus twice ab plus b square, a and b value, and simplify, you will get 196. Therefore, a plus b square equals to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Verify for a minus b whole square also. 11 minus 3 square equals to 8 square. equals to 64. A square minus twice AB plus B square. Again substitute the value of A as 11 and B as 3. Calculate and simplify. You will get 64. Therefore, A minus B whole square equals to A square minus twice AB plus B square. Third, here values are given in point, nothing else. Method remains the same. A equals to minus 2.5, B equals to 1.2, A plus B whole square equals to 2.5 plus 1.2 whole square equals to 3.7 whole square. 37 square if you do, you will get 1369. Decimal point after 2 digit, it will be 13.69. Similarly, substitute the value for A square plus twice AB plus B square and simplify, you will get 13.69. So we will say that we can verify A plus B square equals to A square plus twice AB plus B square. A minus B whole square equals to 2.5 minus 1.2 whole square. 1.3 square it must be. This must be 1.3 square equals to 1.69. 13 square, you know, this term must be square, equals to 1.69. So A square minus twice AB plus B square equals to, when you simplify this, you will get 1.69. Therefore, we verify that A minus B whole square equals to A square minus twice AB plus B square. So two expansion formulas we have seen here. A plus B whole square equals to A square plus twice AB plus B square, and A minus B whole square equals to A square minus twice AB plus B square. In the next video, we are going to study with the practice set. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.